why I live in New York. I still have no idea.
I think it's recording right now.
Is it?
Yeah. Wait, the camera just turned on. Okay, it's
Robin
recording now.
Majid.
Alright. So today is December 28th. New Year's is around the corner. And for this New Year's special, I'm going to be asking you guys for a Q&A. But not just any regular Q&A. I'm going to be asking for like specific questions. Besides how to modify your truck and your setup and how my setup is. Pretty much I'm just going to be having you guys ask me personal questions. So, since you guys want to get to know me better. So I think it's good that we start off the New Year's with questions. Although I have videos in November that I still haven't uploaded yet.
Come on, man.
Bastard.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Yeah. So, odds are you're probably going to be seeing him and him on my channels. He wants to be back in the Q&As.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't know.
Yeah.
But we'll figure it out.
He wants to do a VIP drift build, so odds are we might have to do that.
Yeah, hopefully soon.
I hope so. Jesus.
But yeah, I hope you guys had a really dank Christmas, and hopefully the New Year's is also going to come out really well, and you have a really kick-ass New Year's resolution. So, our
Losing weight.
You're losing weight. You see this?
I think I'm going to plan on trying to do more collaborations with other YouTubers, even though that's kind of hard to do. And try to at least make it out to other events, because the only time I'm free is usually Sundays. But I'll try to make out to more events, stuff like that. So what do you plan on doing?
The Q&A?
New Year's.
New Year's?
resolution.
New Year's resolution, probably to stop being a fat piece of shit. That'd be nice.
That works.
Yeah.
You?
Less of a fat piece of shit.
You?
My New Year's resolution is to get my 240 running. After 2 years of bullshit.
Oh God, here we go. Story time.
And the plan for 2018 is to get the Q45 as a drift mode. Full manual swap, hydro E-brake, full 300ZX setup.
Alright. So hopefully you'll see other different people on my channel. Because I know some of you, my whole channel is just trucks. That's all it is.
Trucks.
I'll try to change it up a bit. But as well, if you guys have any special requests, I'll try to make it happen. I'm already taking requests on modifications and explanations on modifying the truck.
It's gonna be sick.
Yeah, I still have to do a 2017 walk around of my truck for a drifting, because apparently you guys want to walk around, so I'm gonna make that happen. But yeah, thanks for being subscribed and dedicated fans. If you want, just pretty much put your questions in the comments on this video specifically, because I don't want to get scattered between Instagram and a whole bunch of other shit. But yeah, expect to see more on this channel, and see you guys next time.
Yeah.
You have anything to say, guys?
We have to walk around now.
Okay, so I have photos printed out for my truck professionally. Professional photos. If you guys want to buy those, you can DM me about that and I'll give you pricing. Thanks. Later. I eat ass.